So I am going to make this with air dry clay. So I am going to use yellow air dry clay, and now I am going to mix it with red, and the color turned out so pretty. Next I am taking a little more than a half and I'm gonna flatten it. Now I'm going to make the sun rays. So basically roll out a piece of clay and bend it like so until it becomes kind of like a sun ray shape, and make a long one and a short one and continue doing so until all of it is covered. And now it's time to paint. After painting, let it dry, and that's basically it. So first print out your favorite lyrics and cut them out, and instead of album covers I used some pictures from Pinterest which I thought represented the vibe of that lyrics. Next, take some thick paper and measure and cut. And now I will be sticking the pictures and the lyrics, and I'll talk a bit about them. So the first set of lyrics are from the song You Are Worth It from Simorelli. I was having a hard time to choose which set of lyrics I'll put from the song, because all of the lyrics from this song is like, they are so beautiful. I love this song. It really makes me feel very nice and worthy. And I chose this lyric at the end because this resonated with me the most. Next song is the song Fear Not by Le Seraphim. Le Seraphim is my favorite girl group, and Fear Not is one of my favorite songs from them. Genuinely, when I hear this song, it reminds me of a group of friends cheering themselves up, and what better picture to put for friendship other than My Little Pony. I especially chose this scene from MLP. This scene was in the last episode in season 9, that is the last season, where Twilight was anxious what will happen because she's moving away to Canterlot, and at the end all of them hugged, and Twilight was saying, seeing all of you feel sad for me is making me feel better. Like, that was kind of the line she said, and that really makes me, how to explain this, like, it was a beautiful scene, okay, and I think this song encapsulates how MLP feels for me. The third song is Pager by Lynn Lapid. I hope I'm pronouncing her name correctly. Okay, so this song is about not caring about what people think about you and knowing that their perceptions of you are not your reality. And why will we let people who don't even know us to drain our energy? For song number 4, I chose Dare Me by IVE Group, and this song is very special to me. This was recommended to me, like, I opened my phone and got this recommended when I was crying. Like, there was some problems going on, and I went up to the terrace because I was not feeling good. Of course, I was crying, and then I opened my phone and I saw this song, and I was like, let me hear it, and I loved it so much, and I still love it. It's genuinely an amazing song. The lyrics are so good. Also, for the picture, I chose a picture from my first ever solo date. Yes, this is me in Van Gogh 360. For song 5, I chose another song by Le Seraphim. This is The Great Mermaid. Basically, the song says, like, why should we give up one for another? Like, we don't have to sacrifice anything to achieve our dreams. As in, like, we don't have to, shrink ourselves. We can live our lives in our own ways. And I love the message behind it. For song number 6, there is another Le Seraphim song, which is Hot English version. I especially love this lyric, which is, and I am burning hot, there's a fire living inside me, and it won't go down. Wait, what is the lyric? Wait, it won't burn out after dark. Yes, this reminds me of those quotes which I have seen in Instagram and Pinterest, which is like, you are the sun, or like, if there's no light around you, you have to realize you are the light, and like, which ties to the fact that you are the savior of your own life. Like, you can save yourself, you don't need anybody else to save you, and I think that's beautiful. Finally, song number 7 is a remake of the song We Don't Talk About Bruno, but this time it's like from kind of like an anti-hero perspective by Lydia the Bird. And as someone who relates a lot to Mirabelle, this song, I really liked it, and it kind of helped me heal my inner child a bit in a way. Now I am decorating the cover, and after that I will punch holes on the sides and use a ribbon to tie all of them together. I made this for me, but obviously you can gift it to your friend. Like, all you have to do is to know her favorite songs or songs which remind you of her, and basically print the lyrics and pictures related to that, and that's basically it. So this is how it turned out. I genuinely love how it turned out, and this is kind of like a gift to me. And whenever I will feel down, I think I will be looking into this, because I love music and lyrics of songs resonate with me, and the lyrics of this song resonate with me a lot. So I'm very happy with it. So basically all you have to do is print out your favorite book cover and cut them out. Measure the cardboard to the required size, stick it, and then use like the jump rings and the hook of the earrings, and that's basically it. Here I kinda made a mistake, but as you can see, you don't have to first stick the jump ring on the cardboard. First use pliers to open the jump ring and put the hook there, and then stick them together on the cardboard. And that is basically it. These are so quick and easy to make, and it will make a great gift for people who love those books. And that's basically it.